How's it going, everybody? It's NJT Amtrak Guy, and I am back once again for another update on the World Trade Center. We have a lot of progress being done with One World Trade Center, especially now with the HVAC ventilation glass. It appears that this side, this face of the building is almost completely wrapped up. And now I'm also starting to see vents being installed within the gaps for the mechanical equipment. We also have some work being done here. The hoist lift is being removed on this side because now there are a set of elevators inside the building that are now operational. So this hoist is being taken down, and I'm pretty sure they're going to fill that in with glass really soon. Again, I'm sorry if the wind is a problem. I'm trying to keep my back towards it so it doesn't cause too much of a problem. Tower 4 has more work getting done on the bulkhead. Looks like another set of bars is being added up there. And the glass may have stopped for now due to that work. So I'm going to take you around again, and basically I can show you what's going on right now. Let me just bring you a quick shot of the entire New Jersey skyline. Alright, so let's continue and see what's going on today. I'm standing at Liberty Street and South End Avenue. Another shot of One World Trade and the HVAC ventilation glass. Here's another shot of the mechanical glass being placed in between the glass. That'll be installed on those mechanical floors. The mechanical floors will have things such as heating, cooling, air filtration, air recirculation, and I believe it's exhaust also. Here is Tower 4. More work is being added to the bulkhead, and the glass has currently stopped. I'm pretty sure it will continue once that work is done. So before I move on, once again, here are the HVAC ventilation vents. And that's going to continue to wrap around the building. And what's going to be up there are things such as air filtration, air recirculation, heating, cooling, air intake, and air exhaust. Okay, we are now looking straight at Tower 3. It is unfortunately still on hold at the 8th floor, but there are talks of tenants being found to help build this tower. Nothing's been confirmed yet, but it's pretty close. It's definitely closer than Tower 2 is at this time. Here's a straightforward look at 4 World Trade Center. I'm sorry, but the wind is terrible today. Here's the base of 1 World Trade Center. So again, here's the podium section of 3 World Trade Center. This is now West Street and Liberty Street. Here again you can see the bottom of the base being squared off. And you know, it's just an amazing looking tower. Gets better and better every day. This is only the very small portion that is above ground, but most of it is completely underground. I'm now at Albany Street and West Street. Here again, 1 World Trade Center and 7 World Trade Center. Another look at the HVAC ventilation glass. And That type of glass, of course, will be on all four sides for those set of floors. The special type of design for the glass adds a mirror-like effect. Basically, whatever color the sky is, the building will change color with it. So yes, it'll be huge reflections off the sky and basically make the buildings change colors depending on what type of day it is. As you can see, it's a clear day. The building is the same color as the sky. When I was here when it was cloudy, the building was a grayish color.